Hello. I'm the chef Tony. Today, introduce you of the delicious Sicilian meat rolls. Ingredients: veal meat, fresh white breadcrumbs, provolone cheese, salami, mozzarella, ham, grated orange twist, orange juice, parmesan, onion, egg, raisins, pine nuts, breadcrumbs, oregano, parsley, mint. Process: slice the meat, mince the salami, the cheese, the mozzarella, and the ham. Crumble the white bread. Soak the raisins. Chop the parsley. Mix the minced cold meat and cheese with eggs and parmesan. Add pine nuts. Soak raisins, orange juice, grated orange twist, brown chopped onions, crumbled white bread, parsley, mint, and oregano. With the filling, make small cylinders 6/7 centimeters long and 3 in diameter, and let it to rest in the fridge for about half an hour. Beat the slices of meat very well. Put the filling in the center and cover with the veal of meat. Prepare some skewers, with the rolls alternating bay and onions leaves. Pass in garlic-flavored extra virgin olive oil, and coat with breadcrumbs. Grill the skewers for a few minutes. Brush with extra virgin oil and finish cooking in the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Remove the rolls from the sticks. Grease with extra virgin olive oil. And now taste this delicious dish. Enjoy your meal.